Hey y'all, my name is Alyssa Trahan and I'm going to teach you how to play Jingle Bell Rock. Or at least the way I know how to play it. This is probably one of my favorite Christmas songs. It always gets me in the holiday spirit, so I'm going to play you a little bit of how it sounds the way I play it. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. So there's a little taste of how it goes the way I play it, so now let's teach you how to play it. So the first thing, I am playing this on capo 4 right now, just so it's more in my range, but you can play it wherever you want. And really, it's really easy. It's basically all centered around a D position chord. So the first thing is probably the hardest part, and that is the main lick of the song. It goes like this. So it sounds difficult, but I promise you it's super easy. Are you ready? All you do, make a D chord. Then you're going to go to a D major 7, which is just the top 3 strings here, all on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to basically do the same thing without that middle string here, and you're going to play a D6. It goes like this. And then you're just going to go back to D. So all together it goes like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then really the whole rest of the song is just pretty standard chords. You might hear my cat in the background. He says happy holidays to all of you. Chip, do you want to play guitar too? He does. Alright you guys, so all you gotta do after that is play some pretty standard chords. So here is all you gotta do. So it's jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. That part we just learned. Then you're gonna stay on D for a little bit. Jingle bells swing and E minor. Jingle bells ring. A7, which is just A without that middle string in there. And you're gonna go back and forth between E minor and A7 a little bit. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Then you're gonna go to just a standard A chord. Now the jingle hop has begun. You're gonna do the whole thing again. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. Alright, so this next part is basically the chorus, and it's really easy. Starts on a G chord, goes like this. What a bright time, it's the right time. That's a G minor right there. So G to G minor, you're gonna go to D. To rock the night away. To an E. Jingle bell time is a swell time. A. To go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Back to that beginning part we just did. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the B7. B7's a little tricky. It's probably my least favorite chord, but it sounds like that. The clock. Go back to G. Mix and mingle in a G minor in beat. E minor, that's the jingle bell. A. Rock. Back to 1, back to that D. And that's really the whole song. Pretty much every verse and every chorus is pretty much the same. So really the only chords you're going to need to know in this are D and that whole intro part we did. You're going to need to know G, G minor, E, E minor, A, A7, and let's see, what else we got here? I'm missing one, I think. B7, my favorite there. That's really all you need to know to play this song. It's super duper easy. So I'm going to play you all the way through and you can follow along with what I'm doing, alright? Let's go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing square in the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the Jingle Bell Rock. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. Thank you Breedlove for asking me to do this and for having me be a part of the Breedlove family. If you guys are wondering, I'm playing my Breedlove Oregon Concert Rogue right here. This is my child. I love it so much. And I hope you all have a very happy and safe holiday. Thank you guys so much. My name's Alyssa Trahan. Bye!